Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home. Now the portion of your annual exams have already started. First of all, what you will do, you will fold your one page, okay, and then you will start the portion of annual examination, so that it should be easier for us to understand from where you have started, okay. And today's one chapter we have already done, and today's chapter is, we will talk about the leaves. Leaves are my favorite. We will talk today, different kinds of plants have different kinds of leaves, okay. And these leaves, what are the uses of these leaves, that also we will discuss today. See, first point is, leaves are greenish due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. And what is the work of this chlorophyll, you know? If the plant is having this chlorophyll, then only in the presence of sunlight plant can make their food. Otherwise they can't make. Plant takes the air from the atmosphere and water from the ground, and in the presence of sunlight, due to this chlorophyll, plants make their food. Second point is, many leaves are eaten as vegetables, okay. An example is spinach, fenugreek. In Hindi we call it palak, methi, cabbage, lettuce, celery and mustard. And beside this, I think all types of pulses leaves are also used to eat as vegetables, and it is very healthy also, my dear. Whether it is gram, moong, mustard, or mustard is oil giving plant, but the rest, almost all the pulses leaves are used as vegetable. Now we will see the next point. Leaves of some plants, example coriander, mint, curry leaves, etc., are used as spices for seasoning food. Beside this, bay leaves are also used as spices. So there are many leaves, which is coriander, mint, curry leaves. Usually coriander and mint, you will see it is used to make pickle also. It is used to garnish the food also. So, and these leaves are used as spices also. Leaves of tea plants are used to make the most common beverage, tea. This I think all of you know, that most common beverage in our society is tea. Leaves of some plants, example eucalyptus, tulsi, neem, aloe vera, are used as medicine. Beside this, my dear, right now we have studied in the spices also mint. Mint is used as medicine also, and many more plants are used as medicine. Mint and this some neem, tulsi, aloe vera, these are used as medicine. Next is, henna leaves are made into a dye. It is used for temporary tattooing during special occasions like weddings and festivals. We apply it as a dye on our hair also. This is herbal color, so it doesn't affect anything. There is no side effect for it. We used to apply it on our hand also in many special occasions, in some festivals, in the wedding ceremonies. So henna leaves are used as mehndi. Banana leaves are widely used in South Asia as plates to serve food on auspicious and festive occasions. Not only to serve food, you will see banana trees are used to make gates on special occasions. Right now in Saraswati Puja also you will see that banana trees are used for making gates. Banana leaves are used for making bowls and plates. So bowls are made from dhak leaves. Right now this place, the thermocol plates are taking, but usually this is a hygienic thing, that once dhak leaves were used to make the, right now also if you will go to some chaat wala or pani puri wala, they will give in a small bowl which is made of dhak leaves, they will serve. So these leaves are used as bowls also. On many auspicious occasions, bananas plants are used as welcome gates. Right now, in the uses of banana leaves, I have already explained about the banana plant, that how it is used for welcome gates. Now what you have to do, my dear, some pictures are given in the book and you have to answer which leaves they are. And see, these are bay leaves. What is bay leaves? These bay leaves are used as spices. Okay, we give in vegetable or when we make some non-veg thing for fragrance. These are the leaves of henna, mehndi leaves. Okay, these are mehndi leaves. Third number, this is neem leaves. You can see this is cut marks in the side of the neem leaves. Next you will have, this is banana leaves are very big, you can understand it because due to its shape and size only. Next is, this is spinach. We eat vegetables and it is very healthy, full of iron. This is tea leaves. When it gets dry, then whatever tea we bring at home to make our beverage, the dry form of this tea leaves is that, which is packed. Because if it will be packed grain, it will not be in good stage. This is tulsi leaves. And tulsi leaves are worshipped also, tulsi plant, and it is used as many medicines, cough, cold, fever, even in gas also this is used. And usually we keep the tulsi and some plants at home, in which tulsi is also one. Tulsi, money plant, because this is the leaf of money plant, my dear. And usually you will see money plant and tulsi plants are kept inside the home. Why? Not because money plant gives money, because these plants keep away some germs which is not good for us. Okay, this is the lotus leaf. It is very big and round in shape. See, next is, this is mint leaf. We make pickle, we use as medicine this leaf. This is carotan. Carotan is used only for show plant. It is of different color and many beautiful carotans we can see. This is coriander leaf. Right now you will get in the market many coriander leaves, and we usually make pickles or garnish the vegetables from it. And if you will give some leaves of coriander in the vegetable, it will make it very tasty, my dear. Now there are some questions and you have to answer these questions. Why leaves are green in color? And why leaves are green in color? Due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. I have already explained you that if the chlorophyll is present, then only a plant can make its food in the presence of sunlight, isn't it? So leaves are green due to chlorophyll. See, the part of the plant which is making the food, the leaf is making the food. Wait, the leaf is making the food. From atmosphere it is taking oxygen. From atmosphere it is taking oxygen, it is giving out taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen, and water it is taking from the ground. This leaf which is having green pigment, this part is only making the food in the presence of sunlight. Now we will go to the next question. what are the uses of banana leaves? And what are the uses of banana leaves? Already we have studied that banana leaves are used to serve food on auspicious festive occasions, and banana, it is used as welcome gifts also. Okay, so on many auspicious occasions it is used at the welcome gates. In South India it is used to serve food on auspicious and festive occasions. See, benefits and usefulness of banana leaves. And this is the decoration with banana plants. Which leaves are used as medicines? And these are some of the examples: eucalyptus, tulsi, neem, aloe vera, mint. These leaves are used as medicine. Here are some more plants: basil, peppermint, which are used as medicine. Which leaves are eaten as vegetables? And here are some examples of the leaves which are eaten as vegetables. Example: spinach, fenugreek, cabbage, lettuce, celery, mustard, gram are used as vegetables, and almost all the pulses leaves we use as vegetable, and it is very healthy diet, my dear. See the different types of leaves which we use as vegetable. Now next question is, which leaves are used as spices? And I am giving you some of the examples: coriander, mint, curry leaves, bay leaves are also used as spices for seasoning food. So right now we have studied about the uses of the leaves, and these are the examples: basil leaf, bay leaves. These are the examples of the leaves which are used as spices. And what you will do, you all will write in very neat and clean handwriting. First you will write, already we have started in the last class only the portion of annual examination. Now it is to write only CW and date. You will write the chapter name, chapter 11, and then the name of the chapter. You will give the heading, leaves are my favorite, and then you will start writing the question answers in very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, my dear.